we surveyed all our global analysts and who in turn went to their respective companies globally to ask whether they will want to shift out of China. And if they do, where will they consider moving to? So this is a total survey of 3,000 companies globally. And, there were two kinds of answers. One was that US companies wanted to localize within US. And then the ones which wanted to move out, Mexico, Vietnam, and India came right at the top. And this survey was actually just prior to COVID, so we did it at the beginning of this year. So there was nothing to do with COVID at that point in time. Subsequent to that, if you think about it, I would say that during COVID, let's understand the disruptions that happened. So I'm sure you would have heard that a lot of auto factories, both in Japan and in Korea, had to be completely shut when China was experiencing the first phase of inspections, because a lot of their supplies come from China. Similarly, a lot of mobile manufacturers globally had to shut their retail shops because a large part of the manufacturing of their phones happen in China. So even when the virus was not globally spread, because China was impacted, the global operations just came to a standstill. Take an example more closer to home. Within India, initially we faced problems within consumer durables. We faced problems even within pharma sector, because a lot of the APIs or intermediates, as we call it, which is a raw material for making medicines, 70% of that comes from China for India, right? So with the disruptions that people have seen, and given the background, going back to my global report, that in the board meetings, these global companies were anyways contemplating to move out of China. Add to that the fact that now you have witnessed the disruptions, and you've seen that if you are only dependent on one country, what could be the supply side challenges. I think that this could be fast track. And that, to add to that, now a lot of the labor reforms, power reforms, a lot of these announcements within the four sectors that I spoke about are subsequent to that. So I think that progress is happening. At what pace, we could probably say over a period of time, depending on how soon it moves. But I can clearly see that there is progress happening.